Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 324 Magnolia Avenue in East Rochester.
This is an exceptional 2-unit investment opportunity.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is an exceptional 2-unit investment property that has been totally updated with new kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, lighting, and windows. This property is easy maintenance with great cash flow with a 1-bedroom and a 3-bedroom unit with great storage and on-site laundry. This property has ideal off-street parking and a 2-car block garage, plus a fully fenced-in yard with a fire pit. This property is within walking distance to the village of East Rochester with great restaurants, shops, and parks. With nearby Fairport and Pittsford. Could you imagine living or investing here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 324 Magnolia Avenue in East Rochester.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!